again, especially livestock reform, I think the Vice President should get the neck, first of all, to see which village or grazing reserves that can be salvaged or rehabilitated into ranches, livestock settlement. We must eliminate the possibility of conflict and turn the livestock reform into economically viable development. The opportunity is there. Let's utilize it. And it is a net. If we emphasize the constitutional requirement, we see that the land belongs to in the states. Whichever one they can salvage, come back to livestock village or others village, let us stop this, conflict area and turn it to economic opportunity and prosperity. Thank you very much.